MICKEYMOUSE. Mickey Mouse.
Shut up.
Mickey Mouse. Something.
So here we go. We have
Mickey
sodas.
Mickey Mouse, Mickey Mouse, Mickey Mouse.
Is in the house.
The house of the mouse.
Hashtag
Oh god! Don't
all commons.
Don't say anything because he'll make a rhyme up with it. And
Oh, I know he will. I
He'll
know.
start doing some jingle or something else.
That's what you want,
The
though,
Mickey
right?
Mouse Clubhouse.
Everybody's
Come inside,
here
it's fun inside.
Everybody's here for Scott's jingles, didn't you know?
It's the Mickey Mouse Clubhouse.
See, you give him a positive and he runs a mile.
I know.
I run a mile. Guys, there it is. Steamboat Mickey with the chase is him whistling.
Stickers on the inside.
Stickers on the inside, guys. You guys have 4. I have 2.
No, we don't have 4. We each have 2. Go.
Well, yes, because it's two. It's 2.
Eckies.
I'm gonna pull a chase or 2.
So what do we think? Okay, out of the 6 we have,
Commons.
commons. I'm going to say commons on mine.
6 comments coming up.
Okay, 6 commons coming up. What do you guys think about these before we even open them up? Do you like the soda? Do you?
I wish the chase could have been better.
Maybe him with the
wheel. Yeah. Other than that, though, I like it. I like how they're both black and white. Classic Disney.
Could have been a lower piece count for a Funko Shop exclusive.
That too. Yeah.
15,000
seems, yeah.
I mean, that's just basically a common soda. I mean, I don't really see any, even the chase being like a grail or anything.
Well, you got to make sure all Disney fans get one.
Do you? All right, let's go. Here we go. Can we get some music on in the background? Like a little whole new world or
any music you want as long as you're not singing. The color on my pog and that means it's
all right.
Gotta smell the figure, always. Strong fumes right there.
Ooh.
That's some fumes right there.
Come on.
Woo!
Oh, did he get a chase?
I called it at the beginning, but and bam.
Well, hashtag Common Club.
Let's look at the pog.
I will say I'm not mad at it though. It's actually a pretty cool Mickey.
I love it.
What do y'all think about it?
Love it.
I know Brian's upset because it was a common, but
Nah, he's upset that I pulled the chase.
well, that too.
I would think both would be correct.
Yeah.
All right, so I got one common. Number 2.
Oh, I like it.
No, it's common.
Well, open it. It could be bad quality control.
No, I'm not even wasting my time. I'm too disappointed. Scooter got a common too. And Nick has a common.
Well, Nick has the set now.
Yes,
All right,
I do.
so we got 5 and 1.
We got a case.
I have to say, I'm not a fan of that chase.
Oh, I like the chase better than the common.
I love the chase.
Yeah, I like it better than the common. Makes me think he's up on the deck.
Yeah.
I'm telling you, they could have put a little wheel though right there.
I know.
They could have
All
done
they
it.
had to do. All right. Well, not
There.
the worst soda.
Not for me, for him.
Oh yeah, I opened it for you. Quality control is good.
Oh, thanks. Well, you just never know.
Okay. So we got a bonus soda.
Bonus soda.
These just hit the dock today.
And I'm excited for him.
Gladiator.
Oh, Gladiator Hulk.
These are on the site right now.
These are pretty heavy.
Yeah.
These have got some weight to them.
That's way better than this Mickey. Let's see.
Same count, 15,000.
Same count. Okay, but it's not a Funko Shop exclusive at 15,000.
No, they got to cater to the Marvel fans.
Yeah.
He's all battle scarred.
Okay. And the chase is with him with the helmet or metallic? Oh, it's metallic. Okay.
The lazy way.
Yeah, the lazy way. I feel so alone. I don't have another soda to open.
You got a beard.
I know. I was kind of covering it up. You know, I can't see it.
Okay, I'm not looking.
He's not looking. Let's see. What does it say to you? Hulk mad. Hulk smash.
It says he's trying to figure out where they heard it. It might be a stink horn.
Does it smell? Does it smell like not like a soda? Did he get it? It looks shiny. It looks shiny. It looks. I'm not looking at yours, Nick. I'm looking at Brian's because his looks shiny in the
I'm
background.
not showing you. I'm showing the people.
I'm not. I thought you were showing me. He got the chase. Everybody.
Have a helmet. And the chase is pretty bad.
Let's see. Yeah. See, I thought the chase had the helmet. I knew I was right.
Dude, that soda's bad.
Yeah, that's cool. Let's see it next to the common. Oh, the chase is like 9,000 times better.
That chase is badass.
Yeah, that's way more better. Nice. Yeah, that's a good chase. Cool. Well, we got those up for the site on the site, guys. So feel free. $12.95. Everybody, go buy it and see if you can get the chase and let us know and tag us on social media.
Hey, maybe we can do it live and maybe give away a couple of these common.
Ooh. You know what I'm going to say, everybody? Comment down below. You want us to do a live and do some giveaways with some common and maybe even a chase soda thrown in?
Mickey.
I've got 2 commons right here. You want one?
If you guys want a Mickey given away, comment below.
Did you like the Hulk better or did you like the Mickey better?
There's only one answer. Hulk.
And
which is a better chase?
Hulk.
Let us know.
So that concludes our day.
Yeah, that concludes. Now back to your regularly scheduled programs.
And hashtag Dixon Flannel with 2 X's. I'm trying to get sponsored. I need some new flannels. It's flannel season.
Guys, everybody, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.